the world has been waiting for, combat sport fans around the world. A fight 3 years in the making, 5 rounds for the heavyweight championship of the world. The last time these two met, 3 years ago, ended at 1 minute 22 seconds into the second round by way of an injury, a very unsatisfying way to end a fight. But we're going to get some unfinished business done tomorrow night here in Arnhem. Ladies and gentlemen, your main event is Rico Verhoeven versus Badr Hari. Badr fans, let me see you! Badr Hari!
This is wild even by Badr Hari standards. Right now it's target practice for Badr Hari.
But what makes Badr so ferocious is that knockout ratio.
And I will knock this guy out.
Nice heel kick from Badr.
Had some vicious knockouts with that spinning heel kick.
Tomorrow night, Gelredome, Arnhem. Legacies will be defined. History will be made. Let's meet the challenger. Fighting out of Morocco. His record stands at 106 wins, 13 losses, 92 career knockouts. He is a 2-time K1 World Grand Prix finalist, former K1 heavyweight champion, and a former It's Showtime World champion. Ladies and gentlemen, Badr Hari! $110.9 kilograms for the challenger. Now his opponent, making his 8th defense of the belt, arriving on a 17-fight glory winning streak that began in Milan in April of 2013. He is the reigning and defending heavyweight champion of the world, the king of kickboxing. $30,000 in attendance live tomorrow night in Arnhem. 180 countries around the world watching. Netherlands, the world. Are you ready for glory?